We made it to QuiltCon in 2026, and I'll admit the first view of the event was a bit overwhelming, but my excitement kept me going. There were two main sections of QuiltCon, the vendors and the display quilts, which had been chosen by the Modern Quilting Guild from thousands of submissions. On the vendor side, each booth was decked out in unique designs and products, including quilted jackets, mini quilt displays, and enough fabric to make a fabric lover's head spin. A couple of the booths also had craft and goes, which are little DIY projects that they show you how to make using their materials. Then you get to take the project with you as a keepsake. Other booths were also doing spin the wheel giveaways where you could win a lanyard, fabric quarter, or even a yard of your choice of fabric. I won some fabric quarters and a lanyard, which was perfect because I kept setting my water bottle down and then almost forgetting it, so I attached it to the lanyard so it would stay with me. On the display quilt side, there were sections for each category of quilting, ranging from use of negative space to a hand-done element like hand-stitched to quilts made by kids. My sister-in-law had 2 quilts on display that she did the long arm quilting for. We of course came to visit her when she was doing a Meet the Maker meetup with the designer of the quilt. All of the quilts on display absolutely blew my mind. They were so intricate and well made, you could tell so much time, effort, and thought went into crafting these quilts. I mean, look at the hand stitching done on this quilt, it's so even. We popped back and forth between the vendors and the display quilts each day to make sure we got to see everything. So for the first day, we just did some meandering through the quilts and vendors, taking note of the booths we wanted to go back to and the quilts we wanted to get a longer look at. And then day 2, we continued to explore any areas we didn't get to on the first day. So by the third day, we had seen almost everything and had a good idea of which spots we wanted to go back to for shopping, or to do a crafting go, or to meet the makers of some of the display quilts. We also participated in the official QuiltCon fashion show, hosted by Matt from Hard Craft Goods. So please enjoy watching me be super awkward on stage as I show off my ruffle hem pants.
Amanda, your voice sounds familiar too. How would I know you?
I am the host of the podcast, Not Your Granny's Quilt Show.
Woo! Let's hear for Not Your Granny's Quilt Show podcast. Make sure you're subscribed. My episode of Not Your Granny's Quilt Show podcast will be coming out on Monday, so make sure you check that out. Amanda, how do we follow you?
Not Your Granny's Quilt Show, or my long arming is at Sweet Pea Design Company on Instagram and pretty much everywhere.
All right, and let's see your amazing outfit. Let's hear it for Amanda. How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
How do we follow you?
Ember and Azalea.
Fabulous. Let's see your pants that you made. They look very cute. Little ruffle. And what is your name?
After the third day wrapped up, we walked around downtown Raleigh and found a cute local shop that had quilt-themed goodies. We ended up traveling home early on the 4th day, but next year I'm planning to be at QuiltCon each day from sunup to sundown, unless I collapse, of course. Thanks for coming along on this quilty vlog, and make sure to check out the description for tips I noted to make next year's QuiltCon even more legendary. Happy crafting!